Well, I've already uploaded 2 videos. I guess I'll just upload a third one. Hopefully, I hope the audio is better this time anyway. This is the same game the cutscenes came from. I kinda skipped a few, but oh well. Or well, at least a few cutscenes it is. I don't plan on making this a gaming series or anything. This is just an old game I used to play for fun. All the time. So to me, the nostalgia in this game is real. At least to me, anyway. I have to go to a third floor before I get the bandit boss. And I have so many bombs. Okay, you're the first kill that didn't die from a bomb. I hope the boss is on this floor at least. I know this is tedious and everything, but I'm just trying to make a video. I feel a bit embarrassed about making one, since I haven't made one so long. So the demon will be joining my party soon. I would not be getting aside with that demon that I fought earlier. Wouldn't be joining my team soon. I mean, I remember. He will join soon. No, it's kind of dirty in her phone. Same goes to you, Skelly.
Victory!
Better. More skellies. I just want to fight the boss. Wherever the boss is. Stupid bat.
Whew! All done!
I got a confused ring. That's a rare drop. I swear this looks like an eyeball to me. Finally! Well, what do we have here?
Hey!
Who is there? Show yourself. Ah, but having fun toying with my parade. Sounds like something Zyla would say. You've made a huge mistake by coming here. I am stealthy as the night. You cannot see me. You're hiding behind the barrel over there. But no, I am not. Behold, I am the bandit leader. I don't care. How did you know where he was? Heh, lucky guess. You are under arrest. Please cooperate and come with me. Well, if it isn't the sheriff right again. If you still won't tell me where the gold is, I'll have to force it out of you. But I've been telling you, there isn't any. Come on, watch out! I'm healing them first. Cheat move. And I just realized how low Graceland is. I'm pretty sure I am both collaborating when I was watching this. Never mind, thief to use a grenade again. Hey, how did that miss? It was a bomb, and oh, you did not just point on my feet. I hate you. Why did I choose Drake to heal? I should have tried to heal her. I don't know why I said it's the name of the thief. I don't know. Because it's because she's one of my favorite characters, I guess. And she's on the verge of death. I'm gonna use my pet first before he dies. I know my pet's weird, but still. And now he just blinded my thief. Yeah, no surprise it is.
Cat!
Now that bandit's not dead. God, what do you want from me? What do you think, dummy? The gold? It's yours. Take it. Take it! Just don't hurt me. We already did. But there hasn't been any gold in Deathstop for years. God, are you serious? There's even a sign that says or I really did not pronounce that right. Says or is that the belly button sign on the press? Yeah, that was saying one loud. Hey, I spent a week making that. It means no gold, dummy. I'm taking you into custody. You're coming with me. Resistance is futile. At least you finally got the girl. Besides, this place doesn't look like a place for the Guardians. You're right, I guess we just better head out town to town and check from there. I want to explore this mine better, but